Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So before we start, I just want you to know that the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that is the quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that is the quadratic formula. Remember that formula because quadratic formula is the formula that we are going to use in order to solve the quadratic equation. To solve any quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 using quadratic formula, you need to determine the values of a, b, and c, then substitute these values in the equation x equals negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Simplify the result if possible, then check the solutions obtained against the original equation. Okay, so don't worry, I will give you an examples for you to understand the concept of solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula in a step-by-step process. Example: find the solutions of the equation 2x squared plus 3x equals 27 using quadratic formula. Step 1. Write the equation in the standard form. Remember, the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that is the standard form. Then, the sample equation that we are going to solve is 2x squared plus 3x equals 27. All we have to do is to transform 2x squared plus 3x equals 27 into the standard form, which is the quadratic equation. And so it will become 2x squared plus 3x minus 27 equals 0. It becomes negative 27 because we transferred 27 to the other side across the equals. And so positive 27 becomes negative 27. Step 2. Determine the values of a, b, and c in the transformed equation found on step 1. Step 3. Substitute the values of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. Step 4. Simplify the result. Let's simplify. X equals, saan galing nung negative 3? It's negative times 3 equals negative 3. Positive negative square root of, saan galing yung 9? It's 3 squared, so 3 times 3, it's 9. Negative 4 times 2, it's negative 8. Then negative 8 times negative 27, it's positive 216. So that's why it's square root of 9 plus 216 over 2 times 2, it's 4. So x equals negative 3 positive negative square root of 9 plus 216 over 4. So let's continue. x equals, just copy negative 3. Positive negative square root of 9 plus 216 equals 225. So that's why it's square root of 225 over, just copy 4. So we have x equals negative 3 positive negative square root of 225 over 4. Okay, so let's continue. X equals, just copy negative 3 positive negative, then the square root of 225 is 15. So we have negative 3 positive negative 15 over, just copy 4. So we have x equals negative 3 positive negative 15 over 4. So we can simplify x equals negative 3 positive negative 15 over 4 into x equals negative 3 plus 15 over 4 and x equals negative 3 minus 15 over 4. Okay, so let's solve first. X equals negative 3 plus 15 over 4. Okay, so x equals negative 3 plus 15 is equal to 12 over 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we have x equals 3. And now, let's solve x equals negative 3 minus 15 over 4. So x equals negative 3 minus 15, it's negative 18 over 4. Negative 18 over 4, let's simplify, it's negative 9 over 2. So we have x equals negative 9 over 2. Step 5. Check the solutions obtained against the original equation, which is 2x plus 3x equals 27. So ayun lamang po, and sana may natutunan kayo. And before I end this video, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa susunod ko pang mga videos. Thank you!